So here we are on day 4 on board the Opal for Greenland, or in Greenland, and let me tell you, this has been the trip of a lifetime so far. This has been the most amazing experience that I can't even begin to put words to what I've seen and how I've felt on this trip. Tell you, we didn't think that we were going to make it over here from Iceland. The weather was socking in, and when it rains really bad, it is difficult to land the airplane. It gets stuck in the mud runway. So we thankfully got in, and then it was raining when we started the first day. Second day was off and on rain, very wet. Third day was partial rain, and today it has just sprinkled just a little bit, and now we're starting to see some breaks in the sky behind me, and it's just a wonderful, incredible experience. We went hiking this morning and up over Iceberg City. I got to fly my drone through the icebergs, which was just simply incredible. We saw musk ox today. Yesterday morning, we were greeted to 2 polar bears that tried to climb on the neighboring boat, the partner boat to this one, and they tried to climb on our boat as well, but we got some good photographs. They didn't get on the boat, which was good. And I tell you, we've seen just amazing towering cliffs, massive glaciers, massive icebergs calving off. It's just been the trip of a lifetime. I really can't even begin to describe what this trip has been like. And we're just over halfway through it. And we're gonna have a barbecue up on land and go shoot a stream and some waterfalls, fly the drones. It's just simply gonna be an amazing experience.